everyone, welcome back to Study Circle. I hope you have been studying well. We were preparing for ESAT exams and I had the NSAA 2017 paper with you and I was solving the questions, right? So I did question 1 and 2 in the last video. I hope you have watched that. Please make sure that you are not writing anything that will not be marked or evaluated. Alright, remember you are going to be evaluated based on the MCQ response that you give. Any flowery or well detailed rough work that you do is not part of the evaluation. So whenever you are solving a sum, please make sure that you are writing the bare minimum to get to the correct answer. Okay, because as I keep telling you, the exam has 27 questions in 40 minutes. Alright, so you will have approximately 1.5 minutes per question, and there will be those weird questions. There will be one or two questions that are weird, that will require more calculations. They have a diagram. We will find those questions in this question paper itself. Alright, so make sure that you save some time for those questions, and of course you will need like 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes towards the end to go over those tricky questions once again. Alright, so save time from these easy questions and use it for the tricky questions. Alright, how do you do this problem? This is a change in subject formula, right? Change in the subject of a formula. So which of the following is the rearrangement of x in terms of y? So here we'll just shift and I'll get y plus 5 is equal to 3 into x by 2 minus 1 whole square. Since I get y plus 5, this option gets eliminated immediately. I'm not checking a. Okay, so then we have y plus 5 by 3, right, is equal to x. Okay, so plus minus square root is equal to x by 2 minus 1. So I'll get x, I'll multiply 2, right? So I'll get x is equal to, okay, I'll this 1 is negative, so it will go positive that side. So I'll get 2 plus minus root over of course there will be a 2 there, so twice root over y plus root 5 by 3. So which option does it match? 2, 3, 2, 2, plus 2, right? Plus 2 means this gone, this gone, this gone. So whole square, nope, this option gone, this option gone, this is correct. Alright, so from here you could eliminate a few options or you can go to the solution directly. This was not a difficult question. Alright, so this is one of those questions where you should be saving some time. Okay, moving on to the next question. I hope there is no doubt. If there are any questions or any queries that you have regarding the solution of these questions, do not hesitate to comment. Okay, I look into those quite frequently, so I will get your doubts answered. Okay, what do we have here? Alright, a fruit stall sells apples costing x pound each and pears costing y pounds each. Sam bought 2 apples 5 pears, so 2 apples, that means okay, 2x plus 5y is equal to p. Leslie bought 3 apples, 3x, and 2 pears, 2y is equal to q. What do we need? Which of the following is an expression in pounds for the cost of a pear? We need y basically. Alright, so if you need y, you can just multiply this thing by 2, multiply this thing by, no, I'll have to cancel x, right? So multiply this by 3, multiply this by 2. So in that case, what will I be left with? If I multiply this by 3, I get 6x plus 15y is equal to 3p. If I multiply it by 2, I get 6x plus 4y is equal to 2q. Subtract this gets cancelled out. I get 11y is equal to 3p minus 2q. So y becomes 3p minus 2q by 11. Which one? G. Okay, again nothing complicated, basic algebra, high school level. You are just solving a pair of simultaneous equations. Okay, these are also called a pair of linear equations in one dimension or two variables. Okay, so if you're solving this, you can either use the elimination method or use the substitution method. Substitution method we teach but nobody uses because it's almost always lengthier than the elimination method if you are fast enough with your algebra and arithmetic, which you should be because you are appearing in an exam where there are 27 questions in 40 minutes. Alright, so if you are fast with your algebra, no problem, solve it directly, you will get your answers. Okay, so that's it. I'll not drag this video any longer. Please make sure you check the description. I have a few books out that those might help you in ESAT as well as they will help you in the TMUA first part. Okay, so prepare well, and if there are any questions, do contact me. I'll get your doubts solved. All right, bye, take care.